This might be the most confusing object in the universe. It's massive, burning hot, and full of gas. This is ROXs 42Bb, an enormous gas giant about 470 light years away. If you picture Earth to be the size of a bocce ball, well, this thing would be as big as an elephant. But it's not just a planet. It's having a cosmic identity crisis. ROXs 42Bb is made of the same stuff as stars, hydrogen and helium, and massive storms rage across its atmosphere, and deep inside, its core is still glowing red from the heat of its formation. And because it's so young, only a few million years old, it's still radiating leftover heat, almost like a failed star that never cooled down. But gas giants and stars are separated by one critical line: mass. If an object reaches about 13 times the mass of Jupiter, the pressure in its core becomes strong enough to trigger nuclear fusion, and it officially becomes a brown dwarf star. But ROXs 42Bb is sitting at around 9 times Jupiter's mass, so close but not close enough. In order to become a star, it'd need to keep growing, pulling in more gas, increasing pressure in its core until fusion ignites. Then at that point, it wouldn't just glow from its leftover heat anymore, it would start generating its own energy, lighting up like a dim flashlight in space. But unfortunately, it missed its chance. Unlike normal planets that slowly build up from dust, scientists think ROXs 42Bb may have formed like a star, collapsing directly from a cloud of gas. It grew fast, too fast, and then the material around it ran out. No more fuel, no more growth. So now it's kind of just stuck, just drifting through space, glowing faintly in infrared, too big to be a planet, too small to be a star. That's what scientists call a sub-brown dwarf, or more dramatically, a failed star. And if you could somehow fly into it, you'd sink through thick, crushing gas, deeper and deeper as pressure builds to unimaginable levels. But then eventually, you'd be swallowed by a dense, superheated interior, the stuff that never quite became a star, but never became a normal planet either. Poor ROX 42Bb will probably spend billions of years in this strange limbo, because